In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to check the balance on your Dasher Direct card. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Managing your Dasher Direct card and checking the balance whenever needed is an extremely simple process. In order to fulfill this and make sure that your balance is always up to date and you can properly check it, you have to use the latest version of the Dasher Direct mobile app. Of course, as you might expect, you can find this app on the App Store if you are using an iOS device, or the Play Store if you are on Android instead. Through the latest version of the Dasher Direct mobile app, you can manage all of your statements, see your transactions, and most importantly, check the balance on the Dasher Direct card that you have issued by them. So just sign into your account using your credentials, and if you need additional help, talk to the customer support to recover them. But after you sign in, immediately upon reaching the home screen, your balance is going to be displayed as you can see here. If you tap on your balance, a new window will open where you can see the transactions that have been recently made with this card. You can then get the statements and manage them as necessary. Everything will be widely available for you to see, and you can explore all the options when you go over to more, manage the card in here, move money, make transfers, etc. Everything is super convenient to do, and as long as you have the latest version of the app, you will be able to see everything through here. So make sure that the Dasher Direct card mobile app is up to date, running the latest version, and you sign in using your credentials. It's super quick to do, and you can manage the balance remaining on the card through the application itself. As long as you have a strong network connection, everything is always available for you to manage freely. If you encounter any issues that you are unsure on how to proceed or you cannot see critical information, the best course of action is to talk to their customer support like I mentioned. I hope I was able to help you on how to check balance on the Dasher Direct card. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.